अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू ATV। आज मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक एक्साइटिंग दिन जो हमने अटलांटिक सिटी में गुजारा। अटलांटिक सिटी मशहूर है अपनी शॉपिंग, कसिनोज, बीचेस और बोर्ड वॉक की वजह से। वी वोक अप वेरी अर्ली, टुक टैक्सी टू गेट द बस। दिस इज़ देयर बस स्टेशन। वी आर हेयर टू टेक अ बस from New York to Atlantic City. We are trying to find the ticket area. So just look at the neatness of the bus station. It's so neat and clean, and they have wonderful shops. So here is their main counter where I think you can buy a ticket. So we are trying to see the ticket area for Atlantic City. The bus.
Hotel resort. Alright folks, there's no smoking on the coach once you close the bathroom. If you're going to be on your cell phone, please make sure your phone conversation is not heard throughout the bus. Also, if you'll be listening to music or watching movies, playing video games, you must have on headphones only. No loud sounds of any kind should be coming from your device. In fact, if you have your cell phones, you can place them on silent or vibrate. That way it doesn't disturb other passengers and your driver. Alright folks, next stop will be Atlantic City Terminal. Should arrive in 2 hours, 3 minutes.
Now we are here at Atlantic City. You can see all the shopping good brands around the corner here. That's the whole Reebok outlet for the females and for males, for kids, for everyone. From here you can see sales, a lot of big time sales going on. So, alright. Here you could see most of the outlet malls or the brands are available here. So you could see US Polo. There is a Guess factory store. Then we have DKNY Bath and Body, Michael Kors for men. Yeah, we are trying to find Burberry store here. There is a casino with the name Caesars. Alright, so here is okay, let's find out. Maybe they have something to offer. So we are like now we are here at Michael Kors. Okay, we are here at Polo. Come on, 1 second. Wow, it's nice. It's chocolate. Nice. Look at the chocolate bar. It's great. Look at the size of the chocolates. So here you could see Gap factory outlet. Yes, they have all the factory outlet. Nice. This is all about outlet malls. Right in front of me there is Old Navy outlet. Then here is H&M, then Loft. This is very nice. If you want to enjoy shopping. Wow, it's a good sale going on. Very nice. It looks like a yacht. So here you could see Atlantic City, established in 1854. So almost all the big outlet malls are here. Okay, so you could see my bags. So here is Wild West Casino. All I can see, entering in a casino, people busy in making money here. All the people here are just dreaming that they can make money. Okay. There is in where it's boarding house. Wow. Okay, so now here we can see, or we can have Boardwalk, because right at the back of the casinos there is a big beach, and here you can have a walk and can enjoy the beach thing. Well, that depends how cold the weather is. It's very cold these days, so look at this. There is a big beach here, and here are all the shops and the casinos. So what people do, they can come here, they can have fun, they can enjoy a beach. This is for a boardwalk. You can see wooden path. Here is the beach, and here are all the restaurants and the shopping areas. You could see Warner Theatre, a barbecue, which is very famous for steaks.
Certified Angus beef burgers and a side of crispy fries. Taste the Johnny Rockets fan favorite.
This is the most famous Atlantic beach walk.
Wisconsin cheddar cheese and our original smokehouse sauce.
What an exciting day! We are ready to get back. आज मैंने खुलकर शॉपिंग की, आप लोगों को कसिनो की सैर करवाई, बीच पर लंबी वॉक की. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, sayonara.